If you're looking for the best Shark vacuum, here's a collection that you've got to see. Let's get started. At any time, you can click the circle for more info and real-time deals. Number 1 most popular, Shark Navigator Liftaway Professional NV356E. For bare floor cleaning that's anything but bare bones, the Shark Navigator Professional NV356E is our top choice. With lift-away technology and a brush roll shutoff, this is a practical choice for hardware floors of any solid surface floor cleaning. The Shark Navigator NV356E has a bristle brush that will agitate carpet fibers to remove deep-seated dirt but can be deactivated to protect hardwood floors from scratches and wear. But what really sets apart this Shark vacuum for hardware floors is the included dust-away attachment with a microfiber pad. When using the lift-away vacuum in canister mode, simply attach the dust-away tool, which is essentially a large microfiber pad that'll pick up fine dirt and dust from hardwoods, tiles, and more. Number 2 Shark Apex Upright Vacuum with Duo Clean for carpet and hard floor cleaning. The Shark Apex Duo Clean is arguably the best vacuum Shark makes, and for good reason. It performed extraordinarily well in our cleaning tests, removing 99.7% of all debris across 12 different tests. The Duo Clean design in particular makes this an excellent performer, as it's able to tackle all floor types and all debris types, even larger debris. The features, accessories, build quality, and performance all come together to round out one of the best upright vacuums we've tested to date. Our guide below analyzes a litany of Shark vacuum cleaners. We'll look at the most popular and high-performing models, brush roll design, cleaning features, suction power, and more. Our aim is at the end of this guide, you'll have everything you need to determine if Shark is the best vacuum for you. Number 3 Shark Rotator Powered Liftaway TruPet Upright Corded Bagless Vacuum. If you have pets, you likely have an ongoing battle to keep fur and dander under control. The Shark Rotator TruPet NV752 is a popular choice when shopping for a Shark vacuum for pets. Built on the popular Rotator model upright vacuum that many love for its deep cleaning and lift-away functionality, the TruPet model from Shark incorporates a motorized brush and pet multi-tool. Instead of sticking a flimsy attachment on the vacuum's hose and hoping that you'll be able to suction the pet hair stuck on your sofa, the Rotator TruPet allows you to attach a motorized brush to the hose and take the lift-away canister with you wherever pet hair lurks. Number 4 Shark Apex Duo Clean with 0M No Hair Wrap ZS362 Stick Vacuum. This Shark Apex model brings everything great about Apex and combines it with a corded stick vacuum. The lightweight body style is great for easy maneuverability. The Duo Clean brush roll easily can tackle any mess you can throw at it. The Shark Apex Duo Clean 0M packs all the best Shark features into a single absurdly awesome vacuum. It's arguably the best vacuum Shark has ever made with excellent build quality, performance, and accessories. The Shark Apex Upright was essentially perfect in our cleaning tests. It was able to remove an average of 99.7% of all debris on our 12 cleaning tests. Number 5 Shark NV803 Duo Clean Powered Liftaway Standard Cinnamon. This model from Shark includes plenty of bells and whistles to justify its price tag that clears $300. Priced at the top end of the Shark lineup, the Duo Clean Speed also sets itself apart with 2 innovative brush rolls. A familiar bristle brush agitates carpets for deep cleaning power, while a softer brush roll positioned right up front on the vacuum head will pull in larger debris while delivering a soft polish to bare floors. LED lights on the floor head will illuminate dark corners and hidden dirt under cabinets, chairs, and more. With the additional light, it's easier to see where you need to focus your vacuum efforts and feel confident that you captured every last speck of dirt. For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.